Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to Supreme Power Equipment Limited Q2 and H1 FY26 earnings conference call. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star then zero on your touchtone phone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Parth Acharya from Kirin Advisors. Thank you, and over to you, Mr. Acharya.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Kirin Advisors, I welcome you all to the conference call of Supreme Power Equipment Limited. From the management team, we have Mr. V. Rajmohan, Chairman and Managing Director of the company. With that, I now hand over the call to Mr. V. Rajmohan for the opening remarks. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us on the earnings call for H1 FY26. It is a pleasure to connect with you all and share an update on our financial and operational performance, the progress we have made in the past quarter. At Supreme Power Equipment Limited, our journey continues to be shaped by steady improvement, a strong focus on quality, and the trust of our customers. From beginnings in 1994 as a small partnership firm to be becoming a company in 2005, we have grown into one of Tamil Nadu's respected manufacturer of power and distribution transformers. Over the years, we have earned a reputation of dependable, high-efficiency product that met both Indian and international standards. Our growth has been supported by a clear vision to serve the nation's expanding energy needs. We design and supply a wide range of transformers for state utilities, EPC contractors, renewable power developers, and industrial clients. As India strengthens its power infrastructure, expands renewable capacity, and upgrade aging networks, we are closely aligned with these industry trends through investment in technology, capability, and disciplined execution. Before moving to our performance, let me briefly touch upon the industrial environment. During the quarter, the power sector continued to see steady activity. Several states have advanced projects for substation upgradation, transmission strengthening, and renewable integration. Solar and hybrid projects have shown healthy movement, which is supporting demand for inverter duty transformers and higher capacity transformers. There has also been increased ordering from industries such as steel and other manufacturing, driven by the capacity expansion and modernization. Overall, the environment remains supportive and provides good visibility for the transformer industry. Coming to our financial performance of H1 FY26, I am pleased to share that we have delivered another period of consistent growth. For the first half of FY26, the total income was 75.36 crores, registering a year-on-year growth of 28.58%. EBITDA was 14.27 crores upon 18.63% year-on-year. Net profit increased by 31.98% to rupees of 9.41 crores. Net profit margin stood at 12.49%, improving 32 BPS year-on-year. Earning per share for H1 was 3.09 rupees. This performance reflects strong execution and a healthy order inflow and continued acceptance of our product across both utility and industrial segments. Let me now highlight some of the key operational achievements during Q2. We strengthened our relationship with the TANSCO through an order of 4.15 crore for 50 MVA, 110 kV class power transformer. Through our subsidiary Dhanya Electric Company, we secured 4.48 crores order from TNPDCL for distribution transformers, supporting our presence in the distribution segment also. We entered the steel industry in Kerala with an 2.55 crore order for 31.5 MVA, same 110 kV class, equipped with NIFPS. This is nitrogen injected fire protection system. We reinforced our position in Kerala by receiving 15.25 crore order from KSEB and for 5 numbers of 25 MA 110 kV class. We strengthen our presence in renewable sector by securing 9.03 crore order that includes 55 MA and 85 MA for a leading solar project developer. Widened our footprint in Karnataka through orders totaling 10.02 crore for 20 MVA with 66 kV and 110 kV class. We received order worth 4.34 crore from a reputed EPC company in Karnataka and 19.82 crore from a leading EPC client in Telangana for multiple transformers. Telangana marks an important expansion of our geographic reach in South India. We would like to share an update on capacity expansion program. We are in the final stage of developing our new manufacturing facility spread over 6 acres. The project is processing well and we are close to completion. The plant is planned to fully operational by December 2025, with the production beginning from January 2026. This expansion will increase our capacity from 2,500 MVA per year to 9,000 MVA per year and enable us to manufacture transformer up to 160 MVA. At full capacity, the facility has the potential to support annual revenue of 500 to 550 crores. This marks an important milestone in our long-term growth journey. To conclude Q2, the first half of 2026 reflects our ability to deliver stable growth, expand our market reach, and strengthen our position across utilities, renewables, and industrial customers. The demand outlook remains healthy, and with our upcoming capacity expansion, we are well placed to capture larger opportunity in the coming years. I would like to thank our investor, customers, partners, and employees, our Supreme team, for their continued support and the trust. We remain committed to creating long-term value for our stakeholders. With this, I now open the floor for questions. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and one on your touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and two. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. The first question comes from the line of Harsh with NV Alpha. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir, my first question, can you give us the breakup of order book? Like we have 238 crore order book, 230 crores order book in H1. What would be the breakup like government and non-government in this?
Yeah, as of now, today, the order book value is around 235 crores. Out of that, government is around 112 crores. This is inclusive of 60 crores NLC order. And non-government is around 122. You can say 123. That is 52%. This contributes with a distribution transformer of 53 crores, power transformer of 105 crores, and inverter duty transformer of 76 crores.
Sir, what would be the executional timeline of this 235 crores order book?
See, out of that 50, we are expecting 50 to 60% will be executed this year, and balance will be passed on to the next year, this financial year.
Okay. And sir, if you can help us with the bidding pipeline number for the upcoming order book.
The bidding pipeline is very high. So we have post tenders and post offers more than 600 crores. So everything is under pipeline.
And sir, what would be our winning hit rate in this?
Generally, based on our past performance, our winning rate is between 10 to 15%.
Okay, sir. And sir, my second question was on the NLC order which we got for inverter duty transformers in May 2025. Previously you mentioned that this was a 6-month execution timeline order. So are we in the concluding stage of this completing this order, or how that order is going on? And do we also have further visibility from NLC?
No, yes. They actually now we have started supplying that NLC orders. We are at total numbers we have almost manufactured, and it is some transformer has to be type tested. The prototype test, that process is going on. So once that test passes, then continuously the sales will be done.
Okay, got it.
Next 1.5 months, I think we believe that all the transformers will be dispatched.
Okay. So by in H2 we would be seeing the numbers from NLC, right?
Yes, sir.
And sir, my last question is when recently we raised 21 crores via warrants.
Yes.
So you mentioned in the document that object of the issue was for working capital and factory premise establishment. So in this factory premise establishment, will it be over and above that 100 crore capex which we did for the capacity expansion?
Yes. Not over and above. It is inclusive of 100 crores.
Including. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you. Next question comes from the line of Aditi Roy with Patel Advisors Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
I have a couple of questions. First, I want to know that what is the demand outlook for transformers over the next 3 to 5 years?
The demand is very good, madam. Actually, the union government and as well as the state governments are spending more and they are strengthening their power sector infrastructures, and they are upgrading their old network, aged network. So the demand is very good, and so many projects on renewable energy, especially in solar, is coming up. So the demand is very good.
Okay, sir. And my next question is, what is the expected demand contribution from solar, wind, transmission, and BESS?
Yeah, as of now, we have an order book. For example, we have an order book of 230 crores. Out of that, distribution we are having 22%, and power transformer 45%, and inverter duty, which is used in solar, is up to 33%.
Okay, sir. And so, how will the company expand its presence beyond South India with the new capacity?
I could not get your question, madam. Can you come again?
Yeah. So, how we are expanding our presence beyond South India with the new capacity?
Yeah, now we have entered the KPTCL. Already we got approval from KPTCL. Now we have established our presence in KACB. So we got order from KACB for a 25 May 110 kV class. And now recently we got order from Telangana. So we are rapidly expanding our footprints geographically.
Okay, sir. And sir, what is the strategy to balance growth between government tenders and private sectors customers?
Yeah. We strategically control our exposure towards the government should be less than 50%, and 50% in government and balance 50% from private.
And so, what are our top 10 customers from private sector?
Top line customers we have Remon Energy, Renfro Energy, and Swelect Energy, and Seshasai Paper Mill. So we have a set of customers. Renfro Energy.
Okay, sir. And so, how are you facing raw material cost pressures? Means, will higher raw material prices affect margin stability or bidding competitiveness?
Sorry? How do you buy?
Means, how are you facing raw material cost pressures? Means, if higher raw material prices affect margin stability or bidding competitiveness?
Yeah, we have a very good set of procurement team. So based on that, we used to buy raw materials at a competitive price than our peers. Sorry?
Yes, continue.
Yes. So, and we have a very good long relationship with our vendors. For past 3 decades, we have strengthened our relationship with our suppliers. Okay. So we don't find any difficulty in getting raw materials on time at a good price.
Okay. And we had one international order from Mexico, but it was cancelled, I think. So,
yeah,
any other opportunities over there?
We are trying to get opportunity from UK, and recently we installed a stall. We opened a stall in a solar exhibition, and people over there showed interest on us, and the discussion is going on.
Okay, sir. And so, what is the current receivable cycle?
Current receivable cycle is between 85 to 100 days.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. That's it from my side. All the best, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you. Next question comes from the line of Pawandeep Bhatia with NV Alpha. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, it's slightly low.
Am I audible now, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome you, sir.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Sir, I have a slightly long question. Since 2023 to 2025, our annual production capacity has been in the range of 760 MVA to 1250 MVA. Same period, we had a capacity of 2,500 MVA. So the same period, the whole industry till date, H1 FY26 as we speak, has been in the range of 75 to 90% utilization. So why has our capacity been traditionally very low? Also, this question makes a lot of sense now because from 2,500 MVA, we are going to 9,000 MVA. So what is the reason for this, sir?
No, you are asking, since there is a spare capacity, why we are going for an expansion? Is that your question?
Yes, also that, and plus, where the industry, the sector is at 75 to 90% utilization, why are we not able to clock that kind of utilization?
Correct. See, earlier we were making smaller type transformers, that is up to 10 MVA. Maximum the product mix was power transformer will be less, and the distribution transformer will be high. And in that distribution type of transformers, that is ranging from 250 kVA to 1000 kVA, here number of players are very high, and we are more depending on in those periods more depending on TNB orders, that is utilities orders. So now we have focused more on larger power transformer. For that only we have expanded the capacity to go up to 9,000 MVA. So we are more concentrating on transformers above 25 MVA, that too up to 160 MVA. That is larger power transformer with extra high voltage. And as of now, the demand for lower capacity is there, but number of players are more in this region. So,
please go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Please, sir, please.
So assuming we are going into higher kV in this 6,500 expansion that we are doing from 2,500 to 9,000, which is 6,500 MVA, where the competition is less and we are going into higher kV. So can we expect our utilization to hit 65-70%? Because of the changes that we have made in the new project?
Yes, definitely. Because now itself we have order worth about 230 crores. And MVA wise I have not calculated. That also I can calculate and tell you. And now the orders are in plenty. Since our new capacity is at the verge of completion. So we are expecting the production in the month of December, means the next month, mid or in first week of January. So we are actually expecting more orders for this higher capacity transformers because the peers are fully booked and the delivery period are more than 12 months and 18 months. So the order, we are expecting a huge order for extra, that is larger power transformers.
Sure, sir. Sir, one broader question. There was just a news article, there was some quote by some government minister that there has been a lot of slowdown and the government is slowing on the 40 gigawatt solar intake for this year. The target was 50 gigawatt because due to the lack of or absence of PPAs and connectivity for the evacuation of green power, which is your BESS. So, basically, they were talking about some slowdown over the next 3 to 4 quarters in solar. Are you getting such sense and feelers on the
No,
ground,
sir.
sir?
No. Yeah. No, really, we are not, we don't feel the impact. And since we are getting new to the power, that is a larger power transformer with the extra high voltage, we are getting new area inquiries from new areas and new customers. So since the demand is very high, the transformer manufacturer is not able to fulfill the demand. I think this will continue for next 2 to 3 years.
Sure, sir.
And if we Supreme Power goes in full swing to achieve the full capacity, it will not achieve the market share of more than 2%. So I think this will not make a big impact on us.
Sure, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir. Welcome you.
Thank you. Next question comes from the line of CA Arun with Invest Analytics Advisory LLP. Please go ahead.
Hi, am I audible?
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, my question is on the guidance part first. We are targeting around 200 CR for this year, right?
Correct, sir. Yes.
So, to achieve that number, what I am understanding is the existing capacity, we are almost running at fuller utilization, right?
Yes.
So, in 9 months, with the existing capacity, what we can do, like somewhere around 115 CR number. So, in the last quarter, we have to achieve 85 CR to do the number of 200 CR. You are saying the new plant will be coming in from the January onwards only, and it is having the annual capacity of 500 CR peak revenue. So, if I take like 1 quarter, maximum revenue can be 125 CR. So, you are saying 85 CR we have to do in Q4. So, does that mean like from the starting onwards itself, the capacity utilizations will be like very much high?
In the new capacity, it will be increased stage by stage, phase by phase. Not all of the sudden cannot be increased to the high level. So month on month there will be increase of 15 to 20%. So in next 2 to 3 years we can achieve 500 to 600 crores.
So what kind of utilization are you expecting in Q4 from the new capacity itself, only from the new capacity?
Maybe 10 to 20%.
So 10 to 20% means like it will be like 25 CR kind of revenue, right?
No, I am talking about this almost like 20 to 30%. Yes, that is correct.
So if we are doing 30 CR from the newer capacity and our existing capacity is like contributing 40 CR on quarterly basis, so we will be like 70 CR kind of number. So I think means achieving 200 CR, a little bit less, I think we are targeting. Is that understanding correct?
Your understanding is correct, but I don't want to give a big commitment. But definitely, I think we believe that we can cross 200 crores. Because now only the new plant is, we are getting it started. We have to acquire talent acquisition should be there. And everything has to be set right. Though the building, everything is over, almost over, 90% is over. Machinery is all installed. So, initially there will be some teething problem which has to come out. We have to come across that and we have to solve it. So we are expecting 200 crores this year, all put together, the existing facility and the new facility all put together. I think this last quarter the new facility can contribute something.
Got it. So what I am understanding
and we have to go for Again, earlier we got all approvals for establishment, and now after completing installation of machineries and other thing, we need to go for consent to operate from all the departments. That already we are in the process. And we have to undergo... Sorry?
We will be able to do like 180 or 190 CR kind of number this year, right?
Yeah, we definitely, I think we should cross 200 crores.
Got it. And sir, regarding the outlook for next year, so what kind of target do we have in mind for next year, considering the negotiations of the order pipeline? What do you think, like, where we will be reaching by the end of FY27 in the terms of top line and the margins as well? Because you mentioned we will be entering into the higher capacity, so I think the margin should be higher on that side, isn't it?
Yes, of course, the margin should be higher, but naturally, when we start doing the higher MVA transformers, we need talents to be acquired, and the overheads will naturally increase. So I think the margin will sustain. This 10 to 12% margin will be sustained. So we get more orders. Yes. The more orders we will get on higher MVA and voltage class transformers.
Okay, and what about the top line number for FY27, sir?
Yeah, we are expecting 30 to 40% growth.
Okay, 30 to 40% growth we are targeting. So maybe we will be reaching around 280 CR kind of number we are looking at.
Yes. 200 to 250 to 300 crores.
In continuation with earlier participant, there is the question regarding the expected slowdown in the order inflows, particularly on the renewable side. I just wanted to understand more on that side, like, because if the renewable, because you mentioned like from the inverted duty, we are doing like 33% kind of in order book. So I just wanted to understand, like, is it really a threat going ahead? Or what's your ultimate take on that? Right now, maybe we are having the order book, that's fine. But regarding the potential order inflows, what do you think, like, how is it going to be?
So, as per the market information, next 3 to 5 years, the demand will be high, as per today's prevailing situation. So, number of new projects are coming up, and actually, globally, there is a big demand for transformers. Directly or indirectly, that order comes to India, mostly. So, the demand is very high.
Understood. And you have given the number, I think I missed, on the bidding pipeline. So what was that number, sir?
It's between 600 to 700 crores.
600 to 700 CR. That is the pipeline we are having, and you mentioned the success rate is maybe like between 10 to 15.
Yes, that we have to. That is, we have posted tenders and we have sent offers, quotations and everything. All put together comes around 600 to 700 crores. And the winning rate, as per our earlier performance, is around 10 to 15% will be the winning rate.
Understood. So I just wanted to understand, like this 600 to 700 CR pipeline, what is the timeline, sir, within which we expect the order inflows to come, or maybe the tender to be finalized?
That cannot be predicted, because most of the tenders, it depends upon their demand, they postpone and they process the tenders. And we are expecting more orders in next quarter itself, because once we got the vendor approvals for the new plant, then the order inflow will be very high.
Got it. I think that's it from my side, sir, and all the best for the future. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you. Next question comes from the line of Ishita Sen with Urban Sphere Consultant. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, madam. Yes. Welcome.
So, like, first of all, thank you for this opportunity. And are you witnessing
early inquiries from data centers or green hydrogen projects that require higher MVA solutions?
As of now, we have not received any inquiries from data center. But green energy, the discussion has started, but not anything concluded.
Okay. Are you evaluating JV technology partnership for ultra high voltage products?
As of now, no, madam.
Okay. With private sector orders increasing, do you expect blended EBITDA margins to structurally rise above the historical 18 to 20% band?
Yes, yeah, it will. The margin will sustain. We are actually choosing, and we are losing some orders to restrict to maintain the margin prescribed. And now we are focusing more on larger power transformers. So I think it is the challenge will not be there.
Okay. So how much of the current bid pipeline is for higher value, that is with this 20 crore plus power transformer projects?
It's around 100 crores we have the power transformer, 105 crores. And distribution is around 53 crores. And the inverter duty is around 76 crores.
Okay. Thank you, sir. That's it from my side. Thank you for answering my question.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you. Next question comes from the line of Paras Cheda with Purple One Vortex Ventures LLP. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for the opportunity, sir.
Welcome.
Just wanted to understand, sir, is there any progress in terms of export potential for us? Have we been able to crack through there?
Yeah, conversations are going on. Everything is on positive side. So, but nothing is concluded. So we are focusing on that.
Right.
Export.
Okay. Sir, okay. So secondly, I'm just trying to understand some sort of when your new capacity commences production, will it commence commercial production right away in January, or you'll require some sort of testing, etc., or validation from customer?
No. We will straight away. We can start from the month of January 26.
Commercial production.
Yes, commercial production for the capacity lesser than 25 MA, 30 MA. But for a higher capacity, we need to get vendor approval from bigger companies like PGCL, this rural electrification. All these things we have to get approvals from big consumers. So that will be under process. But the production we can start from January for the capacity lesser than 50 MA.
Right, but these approvals will take some time, and therefore the commercial production gradually scales up, or how will that be?
Yeah, it has to be gradually increased. We should accelerate it gradually. So we have to get approvals from the vendors, suppliers, from the buyers for higher capacity, and we have to do type test, prototype test. We have to do these things. We have to get order, and we have to get type test at CPRI. So these are things which we have to do. But before getting that, we can do. We have a lot of orders with us. We can do that in the bigger plant also.
Right.
Stopgap. Yes.
Right. So there's one thing that I was thinking about, that we have a situation where the capacity available is tight in the market, as you said yourself. The suppliers are basically locked in for 12 months, the capacity, for 12 months, 18 months, something like that.
Yes.
So when the new capacity comes in, my only question and worry or thought was, whether it will be prudent to capitalize a large capacity of the new installed capacity in year one itself. I mean, when the capacity in India, etc., and globally is tight, why not, potentially scale up significantly in the first year itself? And so the guidance that you mentioned, which was about 280 odd crores, I was just wondering, why not 300, 350 crores in year one itself?
Yeah, your point is correct. So first we have to take commercial production in a good way, and next thing is, as we have to focus on larger power transformers, that is 100 MVA, 75, 100, 160 MVA. For that we need to get approvals, and it is a process. We need to get approval, we need to get a type test certificate, we need to produce that, then we have to wait for a testing date from CPRI. So it's a lengthy process, but anyhow we have started the process now itself. So as of now, I cannot assure that we can go up to 500. Since the demand is there, we have to increase parallelly all these production capacity, testing, and as well as the finance side, as well as the human resource. All the 4 department has to parallelly we have to raise. Now we have built the entire capacity that is there, then we have to gradually increase that. Increase the other requirements.
So for the next 2 to 3 years, at least you are confident of the demand side of the market, basically international as well as domestic. So there is no worry on the demand side even.
Yes, demand is there. The demand is very huge. We will not be able to cater that.
How long are you confident of the demand in terms of 2 to 3 years or 3 to 5 years? You would put.
No. This next 10 years, the demand is there. Globally, demand is there for next 10 years.
Okay. Are you confident for a medium to long-term demand tightness itself?
Yes.
But there is a bit of capacity that is also coming up, in general. So would you be worried about that, or would you be rather, reasonably confident in terms of?
No, if it goes well, then we have to go for next level of expansion. I think it should happen in next 2 years.
And that could come in probably next year itself, the decision, because that will take the time for another 12 months to implement maybe.
Yes, correct. So based on this 2027 business and 2028, we have to take a decision on that.
Right. Any early thoughts in terms of what kind of extra capacity that will come up at some point?
No. We are not discussed anything about that, but as a discussion with you, I have.
And land, etc. is available, sir?
Land we have to procure.
Okay, which should be close to the vicinity of the current setup.
Yeah, it should be. We are expecting that, but we don't know how the price will be and how it will be.
Right. And so just last 2 questions. In terms of expanding outside the south, do you need, probably to achieve your full capacity utilization, would you be sort of compelled to move out of the south towards the other markets in India, or within this region you'll be able to cater to?
No. Already we are gradually increasing. See, once the new facility started, we have to increase that. Now we have very good marketing team. They are working very nicely. So now earlier we have got approval for KP Diesel for supply of transformer up to 25 MVA long back, but we are not able to secure orders. But recently we are getting continuous orders from KP Diesel, Karnataka. So in the same year we are expanding to Telangana also. So I think getting order will not be a challenge.
Understood. So the full capacity utilization will not be a challenge even within the region itself.
Yes, not in terms of getting orders. The challenge may be on the human resource side, but we are focusing on that.
Right. And sir, in terms of backward integration, we're planning, some sort of backward integration, a while back. Is there any progress on that? Any Further thoughts on that?
It is very brace. It's in the green field, so that process will go long. We have an idea for backward integration for making tanks.
Right.
So as of now, not yet progressed, but it is on our plan.
Understood. Fair enough, sir. And you are generally fairly confident of a 200 plus revenue for FY26 at least, because now that almost Q3 is almost give and take over, so you probably have quite a good visibility now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Welcome.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants that you may press star and one to ask a question. Next question comes from the line of Achut Prabhat with Active Investor. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. I'm audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
Yeah. Sir, I just wanted to know one thing. Like, as we are already discussing, there is huge demand for power, but solar is, there is some headwinds for solar in the coming quarters. So, as you have already said, currently we are making 30% revenue from solar transformers. So, I just wanted to know what is your vision going forward? Like, you want to make more money from power transformers, or you want to make more money from solar transformers?
Actually, we will not be able to depend on one type of transformers. See, our business is of a mixed product from distribution, power transformer, and inverter duty transformers. And for windmill also we are doing transformers. So it should be a mix of mixed product mix. So everywhere we are negotiating and get the orders. Maybe 1% less or plus on the margin. So we have to take. So we should be have the presence in all the sectors. So it's like that.
Okay, so if we are able to utilize full capacity, can you give a breakdown like how much percentage we are targeting in power and solar?
And majorly we are looking into the once the new facility comes up. So we majorly looking at larger power transformers.
Okay. So even if there is some slowdown in solar in the coming years, like maybe in FY27 and 28, it will not impact as much, right? Like I just wanted to understand that.
Yes. See, always we have opportunity to supply distribution, power, and inverter duty transformers and windmill transformers. And now we are focusing more on since there is a very good demand for power transformer, we are more focusing on power transformer, larger power transformers with extra high voltage.
Okay. And one last question, like once the capacity expansion completes, when can we expect the full revenue and how much we can expect?
We can start commercial production in the month of January 2026. And this full revenue, it will achieve, I think, in next 2 to 3 years, we can achieve full capacity, full utilization. That is 500 to 600 crores revenue we can achieve.
So can we expect it in FY28, sir?
28, 29.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants that you may press star and one to ask a question. Next question comes from the line of Janga Reddy with an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Voice is very low, sir.
Your voice is low. Can you come in the range and talk?
Sir, now?
No. Once again, can you come in the range and talk?
Just a second. Sir, now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now you're loud and clear. Please go ahead.
Sir, I would like to know, currently you are on transformer segment, right, sir?
Correct, sir. Correct.
So, sir, are you, I would like to know whether company is planning for new business segments beyond transformers, like inverters and other things, sir?
Actually, we are not able to cater transformer itself. Now the transformer demand is very high, and now we are at the verge of completion of our new facility. We are mainly focusing on transformers only. In next 2 years, we don't have any plan to do any other product other than transformers.
I would like to know about wind turbine electrical components, sir. So
Yeah, this transformer is also one of the wind turbine component for its project.
yes, sir, as you said that capex was ready, right, sir? 6 acres one.
Yes, it's almost ready.
So, sir, we are not getting like any updates like how it's getting ready. Like we didn't get any photos that how manufacturing plant was getting ready, right?
Okay, I will upload it. Upload it in the exchange.
Yes.
We will upload it. Okay, we will upload it. Since to get a full shape, we have not uploaded any photo on the exchange, but now almost it's almost 90% over. So I think we can upload pictures on exchange.
Actually, we were thinking that, and like we all cousins were also thinking that sir was telling that manufacturing plant was almost ready, but no photos were shared.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Now I'll try to give a like a short video or
share it in a social media platform.
yes. First I'll put it in the exchange, then I'll put it in the social media.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next question comes from the line of CA Arun with Invest Analytics Advisory LLP. Please go ahead.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
For the follow-up, sir. So just wanted to understand, like currently we are doing transformers, and I understand like this is maybe quite early, or we may not be having any plan. But just wanted to understand, apart from the transformers, do we have anything in pipeline, maybe from the point of view of product diversification or anything like that, which we are currently planning and can at least share like the way or the area that we may be targeting from the product diversification side going ahead? Because I understand right now we are in a transformer is a tailwind industry, right? But going ahead, there will be a time when the industry will not be going at this pace because everyone is bringing up the capacity, so that supply-demand gap will not be there always, right? So just wanted to understand your view on that, sir.
As of now, we are mainly focusing on larger power transformers, higher capacity, that is more than 50 MVA up to 160 MVA, and as a phase 2 we can go up to 315 MVA. So this is our focus and this is our plan to do and achieve. And we don't have any plan about products other than transformers. And I think it's too early to talk about that.
Got it. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Next question comes from the line of Achyut Prabhat with Active Investor. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Hello, sir. I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sir, I have a few more questions. Like, I just wanted to know, like, once we complete the expansion and when we are able to use full capacity utilization, I just wanted to know, can we expect some margin expansion or margins will be reduced? Like, what is your thought on this?
Actually, we will get more margin. More margin means maybe 1 or 2% more from the existing level, but that will be absorbed by the overheads. So we believe that the margin will sustain. The existing margin will sustain, we get more orders, and because there is a huge demand and less players are there and larger boat transformers, so we get more orders on that. So that is the advantage. So but I think the margin will sustain. The same 10 to 12% margin will sustain.
Okay. And sir, one last question, like for this capacity expansion, we took loan or how we did that, sir?
Yeah, we did with loan of 35-40 crores and IPO proceeds and internal accruals, all put together.
Okay, so loan we took 30 crores.
Sorry, no need to?
We took 30 crores of loan, right? Debt.
Yes. 35 crores. 35 crores. As of now, 40 crores are sanctioned. We have utilized only 30 crores. Another 10 crores are yet to utilize.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as there are no further questions, we have reached the end of question and answer session. I would now like to hand the conference over to Mr. Parth Acharya for closing comments.
Thank you everyone for joining the conference call of Supreme Power Equipment Limited. If you have any further queries, you can write us at research@kirinadvisors.com. Once again, thank you everyone for joining the conference.
Thank you. On behalf of Kirin Advisors Private Limited, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us. You may now disconnect your lines.